Security at Old Branch. Miss Penchalamma, caretaker. Miss Penchalamma. Miss Prasanthi. Miss Vijay Shanti. Miss Monica. Miss Nagamma. Miss Venkatramma. Miss Vijayamma. Miss Ratnamma. Miss Mastanamma. Miss Surekha. Miss Senamma. Miss Rani. Now I would like to invite the people who are managing our school transport, Mr. Mastan. Mr. Srinath, school transport. Mr. Sam Babu, school transport. He is not available, it seems. Mr. Venkatesh. Next in the line are our Ram Lakshman of our school, Mr. Vinay and Mr. Parmesh. Can I have Mr. Vinay, school supervisor, on the stage? Next is Parmesh, our all-rounder Parmesh. Woohoo! Narsimha Rao sir, without whom none of our videos, none of our activities will be completed. Miss Saujanya, next is Miss Saujanya, DTP. Miss Pratyusha Rekha. Now it's the turn of kindergarten mentors, who are the amazing teachers who turn tiny tears into bright smiles, who transform little hands into creative artists, and who make learning feel like play. Can I have Miss Sumalata on stage? Miss Sumalata, E mentor. Miss Pavani, E mentor. Miss Srividya, mother teacher of E. Miss Srividya. Miss Lizia, assistant teacher for E. Miss Divya, the mother teacher for E1. Miss Sweta, assistant teacher for E1. Miss Hani, associate teacher for E1. Miss Sweta, assistant teacher for E1. Miss Satya, mother teacher for E1. Next is Miss Vidhi, associate teacher for E1. Miss Maheshwari, assistant teacher for E2. Miss Deepti, mother teacher for E2. patience, your energy, and your unconditional love. Now, the next category of awards are for the primary and high school teachers. Can I have on stage first the Telugu mentor from primary, Miss Lakshmi. I would like to invite Miss Lakshmi Pavani, Telugu mentor, on stage. Next we have Miss Shirisha, Telugu mentor. Now I will be inviting the Hindi mentors on stage. In this first is Miss Asma Pyari, the Hindi mentor. Miss Asma. Next is Mr. Rafi, Hindi mentor. Mr. Rafi. Now I would like to call Hamida ma'am, Hindi mentor, on stage. The next mentors are for English subject, Miss Ruth, English mentor. Miss Ruth. Miss Sailaja, English mentor. Miss Sailaja. Miss Salma, English mentor. Can I have you on stage? Next are our maths mentor. First, I would like to invite Miss Mubina on stage. Miss Krupavati, maths mentor. Miss Razia, maths mentor. Can I have you on stage? Next, I would like to invite Mr. GVK Kishore sir, maths mentor, on stage. The next group of teachers are the science mentors. First, I would like to invite Miss Harshita on stage. Miss Jhansi Rani, can you have you on stage, ma'am? Our science mentor. Next, I would like to invite Mr. Rama Koteswar Rao, science mentor. Can I have Miss Madhvi, our science mentor, on stage? Woohoo! I would like to invite now Miss Sushmita, the social mentor, on stage. Now I'd like to invite Miss Anuradha, the social mentor, on stage. May I have Miss Aishwarya, our GK mentor, on stage? Next is Miss Rekha Sri, our computer mentor. Ma'am, can I have you on stage? Miss Sri Lakshmi, our all-rounder PT ma'am. Can I have Miss Padmavati, our art and craft mentor, on stage? I would like to invite now Miss Lokeshwari, the associate teacher for grade 1, on stage. Miss Lokeshwari. And last but not the least, Miss Shweta, associate teacher for grade 1, on stage. The next category of teachers are the activity teachers. The first activity teacher who I want to invite on stage is Miss Jignasha for Abacus. Miss Jignasha. Next is Mr. Madhu for Western dance. Miss Meenakshi, classical dance. Aruna, Yoga. Mr. Jitendra, Skating. Next, I would like to invite Mr. Pavan, Keyboard. Next is Mr. Lakshmi Narayana for Martial Arts. Now I would like to invite the dance masters without whom today's event would not have been possible. First, I would like to invite Mr. Ramesh. Mr. Palani. Mr. Ranjan. Now it's time to talk about the heroes, or rather I should say the heroines of our school. The management, vision, dedication and unwavering support, these define our school management. Let's call them on stage one by one who have mastered multitasking. They turn our "can we do this" into "yes, we have already planned it." While others shine on stage, they mostly shine behind the scenes. The first in this category is Miss Soumya, our front desk executive at New Branch. Woo! Next is Miss Bindu Madhavi, the front desk executive at Old Branch. Can I have Miss Shreesha on stage, the coordinator of our school? I would like to invite Miss Mahita, school coordinator, on stage. Miss Mahita. Miss Uma, school coordinator. Miss Rajeshwari, school coordinator.
It's a tradition. Last award I will announce. This one is, many times I said same thing, but this time I will simply, the mother of kindergarten school, Andalib Hussain. You all know about her. She need to face parents, teachers, children, as well as sometimes me also. So none other than the school principal, Supraja madam, please.